Hello, beautiful people. How are you? How are you doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. You're highly welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome back to our channel. Yes, guys, I want to share this revelation with you based on both of you that are complaining about your children. The power of your breast as a mother. Yes, your breast as a mother. Do you know that your breast is very powerful to put things in order? Yes, your breast is very powerful. Even if you want your husband to be rich, there's a way you can use your breast and you will begin to suck wealth. Yes, that is another topic entirely. You will like the gist, all right? Now I want to talk about the power of your breast as a mother. You have a son, all of a sudden your son graduated from school, you have spent your money on him and he's turned his back on you. It's an abomination. As a good mother, it's an abomination. You have a daughter, your daughter turned their back on you, they don't want to come closer to you, they don't want to show you love, they don't want to call you on phone, they don't want to remember you. You are the mother. It is very painful. You have your children, they suddenly find out. Your children find out they despise you. They don't like coming closer to you. They don't even want to take care of you, because when they take care of you as their mother, as their parents, their children will take care of them. Okay? You are as a mother, you have been in pain, crying over your children. They just change. Enemy just interfere. Enemy just scatter the home. They just turn your children against you. Or your children enter into a relationship and that person turned him or her against you. You will rise up, raise your head as a mother and use the power of your breast to bring that child back, especially when you are the biological mother of that child. Naturally, our breast is very powerful, because if you want to find out the name of God, it's called Jehovah El Shaddai, the man with big breasts that all the whole world comes and suck his wet from. You see that our God is too mighty and is so big. So when you are going to make this prayer, all you just need, you just have to be start naked the way God created you, and you'll be making this prayer in the night and in the morning. You can make the prayer in the night and the morning. Please, you have to come out from your house where you have open heaven. The heaven is not closed. That is when you can make this prayer, and it will be highly effective, because the universe are going to listen to you. All right. Now you are in a compound where you cannot come out with the way God created you. Just make sure you are not wearing bra. Wear whatever gown you want to wear. Your nightgown, do not wear bra. Let your breast be free. When you come out outside, you are going to, if you have alligator pepper at home, alligator pepper, take 7 seeds, put it in your right palm, bless it and put it in your mouth and chew. After you have done chewing it, you come out outside. You are going to raise your 2 breasts up to the heaven to bear witness of the breast that your son or your daughter have sucked to become human being. He or she sucked this breast to give him the wisdom, give her the wisdom to do all those things. And why do you want to bring your child back to his senses? Because that pain you are feeling, that pain in you, if you did not release that pain, if you did not forgive, if you did not let it go, if you die with that pain, their children will do ×2 of what they did to you. Naturally, that is nemesis, that is karma. Their children will do ×2, we maltreat them ×2, just the way they maltreat you. They will disobey them ×2, they will hate them ×2, just the way they hate you. And that's how the generation will continue. That's how the generation will continue, until they will not say you should go and please an old woman, buy clothes for an old woman, give an old woman something, so that you can clear off that pain. Because if she goes to the grave with that pain in her, it has been sealed. Okay, it becomes another problem. Majority of us, we are fighting battles, we don't even know how it started. But with all this information and knowledge, you'll be able to set things right, so that even when you die, you make sure you have cleared the way for you yourself, for your children. Let nothing, let no pain take you to hellfire. Okay, you're going to come out as and you're going to hold your two breasts. When you hold your two breasts, you're going to call this thing Orisebinuwa. Orisebinuwa. Chukwu Okike. That is the God that created the heaven and earth. I have come before you as you made me a mother over this generation, because women are the mother of generation. Okay, we are the mother of Israel. I call my son Chukwuemeke. You call your son 7 times to come back to your senses by the power of a woman and the power of this breast that you have shown. I call you to come back to your senses. I call you to come back to remember your home. I call your brain out, whatever they have done to you. As long you suck this breast, let that milk that enter your brain, that make you to sit, that make you to crawl, that make you to talk, come back to you. That make you to crawl, that make you to stand as a man, come back to you. Okay, you are going to make your prayer. I decree that you will not disobey me from now. I bring you back by the power of my breast that you suck. I bring your sense back. I bring your blood, your water, everything, your eyes, your feelings back. Because there is this feeling between mother and a child, that feeling of that umbilical cord, that feeling, you can never separate a mother from a child unless that mother is a witch. Because witches, they can eat anybody, they can kill anybody. That's why I upload that video, Jungle Justice. When they want to kill anybody, they turn it to fowl, they turn it to chicken, they just slaughter the person in their cover, boil the person and share it out as a meat, and the person will die physically. So when a witch wants to kill anybody, he does not remember his husband, he does not remember his child. That is the wicked spirit. So you will make your prayer, make your declaration, calling your children back to love you. Love me and take care of me as your mother. Let this universe bear witness. Let the universe help me. Creator of the universe, Chukwu Okike, help me. Now when you are doing this prayer, you are standing with your leg, no slippers. Some people say, can I wear socks? I said, no slippers. Stand with your bare foot on the floor, on the ground, outside your house. Okay, you pray. So if you cannot go naked, your compound is not free, please wear your clothes, but do not wear bra, so that your breast can be free. You hold your breast up. You must use your 2 hands and pack your breast up, and while you face heaven and make declaration, you speak into the air. Now the elements of air will blow it. It will take your request. As long as your child breathe in air, it will enter. No matter the country it is. Now another thing you find out, that's how you're going to pray. I command you to start loving me as your mother and taking care of me. Start listening to me. You make your prayer. Another thing, if your child is in a far country and is not doing well, you have prayed is not doing, go for the power of your breast. By the power of my breast that you suck, I command you to start shining. I bless you today. I bless you, Jennifer, to marry and settle down. I bless you, Jennifer, to get a better job. I bless you, Jennifer, to begin to do well in life. I bless you, Jennifer, because no matter, milk is a milk. You cannot count the milk. It's a liquid. So let word begin to flow into your system. All right, by the power of that breast milk, I bless you. By the power of my womb, I bless you. I bless you. As nobody carried you, I carried you with my own womb. I bless you by the power of a mother. A mother is a mother, and it can never be changed. It can never be erased. It can never be cancelled. A mother remains a mother. That is how God has made it. Okay, that's how you are going to bless your child. You bless from the bottom, the depth of your heart. You will bless that your child. You will release blessings upon your child. I'm telling you, that prayer, when it start working, no power can stop it. As long that child have sucked your breast, as long you have carried her in your womb, Chukwu Okike, the creator of heaven and earth, we hear this prayer. Okay? And nothing can stand it. So you will pray in the language that you understand. This is the little way I want to share with you. I also come and share with you how this your breast can make your husband to become wealthy. Yes, and things will begin to turn around. Say, see, you have started. Okay, that's how you're going to just say, with my breast that I breastfeed and my womb I carry, I command you to begin to see success. I bless you as a mother. I bless you. Let the mother earth bless you. Let the wind bless you. Let the sun bless you. Let the night bless you. Let the day bless you. Let the afternoon bless you. Let the 4 elements bless you. All right? On a rainy day, on a Sunday, you are blessed. Please, when you do this prayer, when you enter your home, kneel down and thank God. Thank Him for making you a mother. So many women are really struggling to be a mother. It has not been easy for others. God just gave you the grace. Give Him thanks. You make this prayer as many days you want, 14 days, 21 days, until you start seeing testimony. Because some people come ask me, how many days will I do? If I want to do my own, will I tell you how many days I will do? Yes, until you see testimony. Make it a regular prayer to bless your children and bring things back. Because there is power in your tongue, and there is power in your breast, and there is power in you as a woman. Women are powerful.